Welcome to Insta-Math, a website to help your number sense and mental math skills. There's lots of ways to access this site. You could be an observer, a participant, or a creator. And if you're an observer, you'll just find a post down here. You'll try the problem, and then you'll compare solutions with other people that have done the problem and screencast a solution. You could be a participant. You could find a post, try the problem, and then submit your own solution. Or you could be even a creator, where you actually create a problem, share the problem with others, and then wait for others to respond. Alright, you just have your normal things here. You'd have home, you could upload something, you could log in and be a member, you could take a view of how this all works, and of course you have different categories of math problems, and they certainly have this drop down box of other topics. And let me just go, let's say I went to this numbers problem. Okay, so this Insta-Math post is called Finding the Tip. And what a person would do is once they clicked on this post, they would click here to watch the video, which is a problem, a math problem, that does not have one particular answer. This is just find the tip from this restaurant bill. And so they'd watch the video, and then they'd start trying to do the problem on their own. And once they did that, then they could go over here and look at the posted solutions that people have done for this particular problem. And then they could click on the one that they think they would like to look at. So this one has 26 likes, $10, give $2. So it's just a way of solving it. Everybody has a different way, and so there's lots of different posts here. And of course there's the author, and then the flagging if there's something inappropriate. So this is similar to Instagram. It's not an app, no, it's just a website. And since it's a website, what people would do is they'd post things, and then others would post solutions, and you'd like them. So Insta-Math is perfect for teachers, because a teacher could find a post that's appropriate for their class at that particular time, and they could give it to their students through a video, through their projector, and then the students would try it, mental math, on their own, and then they'd get their answer, and then they'd share out their answer in their class, and then they could look at some posted solutions that are on the site, or they could actually even post some of their solutions to that site. So this would be a terrific site for teachers. Right now, our students in America are not very good at number sense. They often try to come up with just one single answer, and they have a contrived way to do that problem. Insta-Math would teach students a little bit better at number sense and at mental math, which is so important in daily life and in mathematics. So from David Sladke and Scott Miller, we would just absolutely love to work with Canvas to come up with Insta-Math as a site and a resource for teachers all over the country and all over the world.